happening, YouTube? You already know who it is. It is the only Carter, back with another video, and today is day 24. I just started my job. It was the internship with the Cleveland Browns, as y'all can see, so that's cooking. It was a cool little day today. I'm about to take the Camry out, and we're about to go to Brassica, about to get some eats, some Mediterranean food, and then I'm probably about to head home after that. So I don't know what we about to get into. Hopefully we see anybody on the highway, you know what I'm saying? But the wing's still looking good after a week and a half that we captured it, so you know what I'm saying, chat? But yeah, I'm about to give you guys this POV drive with a 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower again. And then yeah, if you guys like my older videos, you guys like my other videos, check it out as well, you know what I'm saying? And then let's get this started, you know what I'm saying, man? I had a great day today. I had a great one. What it do, YouTube? We are back. But anyways, let's get this video started, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm about to go to Brassica, so hopefully get some good eats. Yeah, today was a great day. So what I'm doing is I'm with the Cleveland Browns. I'm helping out with kids, like the youth program, stuff like that. A couple rookies are gonna come, so it's just basically a cool little internship, getting my foot into the door, just helping out with kids, you know, coaching and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. My pops hooked me up with it, so trying to get myself, you know, trying to get a little feel, you know what I'm saying, chat? But so for now on, because this is day 24 and we have 6 more days, I will not be able to have time to be able to get a video out before the time that I have to be into work, you know what I'm saying, chat? So for tomorrow's video, we're gonna do a video like this at this time of night and have it for tomorrow. So this video that I'm making is gonna be for tomorrow, so it's not gonna be on the same day, you know what I'm saying? Because I gotta edit, I gotta make sure everything is produced, you know what I'm saying? Can't have no sloppy stuff, you know what I'm saying, chat? Not around here. Maybe your other content creators have sloppy stuff, but not around here, man. Taste of the journey. Hey, I just had a kid talk to me crazy, bro. Never had a kid talk to me like that at all. So, it's kind of crazy. What are we doing? It's a beautiful day outside to take the Camry out. I don't even know what to call this video, actually. But in the title of this video, it's another POV drive. Day 24. Day 24. 24. And on Thursday, I have to go down to downtown Cleveland because I'm actually off on work. And I'll be meeting with the Cleveland Cavaliers radio producer. So I'm very excited for that, chat. So I'm gonna be working this summer with Browns, Cavs, and then I still doing my nonprofit internship. Buddy. But yeah, I'm gonna be working 3 things. 1 at home, 1 with the radio producers. Wouldn't call that work, just gaining skills and knowledge, you know what I'm saying? And then with the Browns, 2 internships. So I'm chilling. about it. But the goal is to keep doing POV drives, you know what I'm saying, chat? Oh my God, these potholes are terrible. But yeah, hey, chat, I am blessed. It is Tuesday, happy Tuesday, or good evening with you guys, whoever's watching, you know, all over the world. I know some of my subscribers are from across the world, or they're still in the United States, but I do appreciate it, love you guys. Infinite, I appreciate it, so we can build our community more, because I want to build our community. I want to be the best of the best, you know what I'm saying? I want to make it up there with the YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about Kai type of level, but if y'all really mess with me like that, hey, we can make it to 1 million subscribers. That's gonna take a while though. All I need is one video, you know what I'm saying, chat? All I need is one vid. I'm gonna put this in sport. I just ran over something crazy. Baby G Mariota. Oh, I didn't make the light. Oh, I'm just gonna have to take the highway. Dang. Larry Hove. No, I know you. A slight little highway PLB. Oh my God. Dangerous. I'm trying to grub. Larry Hoover. Nah, do you? Big me. Oh my God. type of build is that on that car? Chicken teriyaki for $8.99. I thought that said $3. So if we just keep going straight, then bad. Dang, we almost there? Sheesh. I feel like Big Meech. Larry Hope. Oh yeah, we actually are here. Wow, chat. We made it. Nice after 150. Yeah. I feel like Big Meech. Larry Hove. Bitch, I'm gay. Of course, it's a DoorDasher. I'm saying we at Brassica, man. We are actually at Brassica. Oh, I feel like Big Meech, Larry Hoover. Bitch, I'm gay and I do ya. I'm extremely starving. Do we get wine? Nah, we have wine at home. We have wine at home. Big Meech, Larry Over. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video with the only Carter, it's a short little video, you know what I'm saying, chat? But, you know, we got the spoiler right there. We got the car. You know what I'm saying? We got a 2025, man. Who can really say anything, you know what I'm saying, man? But, hey, I want to let you guys know I'm feeling great. I want you guys to feel great. Hey chat, I want to let you guys know that the GoPro just died when I started speaking, but anyways, I want you guys to know, be happy, do something great, and just be yourself in this life, you know what I'm saying? Because not everybody in this life really cares about you know what I'm saying? Because you're on your own. And other people have other things they got to do in life, you know what I'm saying? So your priority isn't theirs, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.